everybody, and welcome to Mahmood Monday. I'm Waji.
I'm Ahmed.
And what are we doing today?
Today's challenge is going to be Guess That Animal Challenge.
Okay.
Both of us are going to be making animal noises, and you have to guess what they are.
Okay, let's go. It's simple enough. You start first. Go.
I'll start first. Ready? Just don't look at me though. Ready?
Okay, go.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
I would guess. Ow. Ow.
Ooh. Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Ow. Ow. Ow.
I mean, that's pretty easy. Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay. Hold on.
Sounds like a car, like it's like screeching the tires. A cow? Is that a frog?
Yeah.
Frog don't go like rabbit.
Ribbit? Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
It's a frog. That's how they do that little thing.
No.
Yeah.
No. Score is 1-1. 1-1. My turn. You can't look at me because I need to use my hands for this.
Okay,
and give it away. Ready?
Alright, go. What the f? Cause that sounds like a dinosaur. Freaking T-Rex. I swear that sounds like a dinosaur. I'm not even joking. Is it a dinosaur?
No, it's not a dinosaur. Wait, one more time. Look that way.
I don't know. What is it? I don't know.
That's an elephant. An elephant.
An elephant? Sound more like a freaking dying dinosaur than an elephant.
No, that's how a big.
No.
The great elephant sound like.
Okay, ready? Okay, my turn, right?
Okay, you go. What is that? Someone dying?
I'll do last time.
Like what? Is it like a lion going to sleep?
No, it's not a lion going to sleep.
I have no idea what that is. I have no idea.
I guarantee they would have got it. It's okay. Think of Finding Nemo.
Oh, whale!
Yeah, it's a whale.
That's
good.
Yeah.
Good
Are you ready?
Sounds like you're in the bathroom struggling. Yayi?
No.
Yayi? Are you trying to That's donkey then. Donkey.
Yeah, donkey.
Okay. Stop making that noise. Alright, my turn.
Okay.
I got that one though. Okay.
Are you choking? That's like a hawk or a bird. That's easy.
Okay, no, but you gotta be specific. Obviously, I'm gonna be more specific.
Bird, an eagle.
A bird, it's of that bird. It's in that class.
Eagle,
No.
bald eagle, hawk, crow.
Crow. Scarecrow, baby. Let's go. Your turn, right?
Okay, my turn.
Go.
Ready? I'll do something too.
What the? No, I don't think any animal says. Stop. Okay, I would say, with the ears, y'all say hippo.
Hippo.
Hippo?
Yeah, hippo.
Okay. Stop. Alright, ready? My turn.
Monkey?
Be more specific.
What's up? Eating a banana?
What kind of monkey?
What? What? I don't know all the different types.
Yeah.
Chimpanzee.
It's a okay. Yeah, it's a tired monkey. He's like
What?
yeah, but he's tired.
No, you can't do that. You can't choose tired, happy, lazy,
Wait.
fat, sad. Like, just choose the animal.
Okay, let me do another
No,
one.
yeah, redo that one. That one doesn't
Okay,
count.
this one is this one is a prop. This is use a prop. It's something that's gonna come out of here, like out of the mouth. So it's gonna help. Okay.
Okay.
Because the noise, it's hard to depict.
So it's like something comes out the animal?
Yeah. So like it's like oh, you get it? No? Okay, let me go again. Do you get it? Like
So when the person blows like malice, something comes out?
Okay, look. Let me
When
show
the
you.
animal
Yeah,
blows?
let me show you. Right? Oh! That's revenge! That's revenge!
I'm gonna kick your ass!
Baby powder! I got baby.